there have been allegations that some members of Congress nakatanggap ng envelope, nakatanggap ng maleta, ito'y naibigay, kung hindi sa opisina, sa townhouse.
Madam
The
Chair.
Honorable Diaz-Guerin.
Madam Chair, prior to proceeding with the indulgence of the members of this committee, since the allegations were baseless and not contained in an affidavit, and this is the subject of an impeachment complaint totally unrelated to what was mentioned, may I move that the words and the allegations as contained for congressmen getting money in the office and being delivered in the townhouses be stricken off the records. So move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay with respect to the money taken or received in relation to the...
Basically, Madam Chair, the statements, the allegation mentioned by Congressman, or my good friend, my very good friend, Congressman Suntay,
You are good friend to each other.
Very, Madam Chair.
Very much, Madam Chair. So,
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about the money taken or received allegedly by the members of the House. Is there a
Madam Chair.
second? The same has been seconded. Is
Madam
there
Chair.
any objection?
Madam Chair.
Are you-
Madam Chair, I have no objection considering it has been published.
The Honorable Marcoleta, are you objecting?
No, ma'am. In fact, I'm appealing to
Let us resolve first the motion.
reinstate the.
So you are objecting.
No, I'm appealing to reinstate the remarks earlier made by.
The motion
Honorable
is
Suntay.
still pending. It's not yet resolved. If there are no objection,
Cannot object.
then the chair approves the motions to strike off from the record the manifestation of about the money allegedly received by the House members from the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay. So ruled. Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I'd like to appeal. I think the remarks earlier made by Honorable.
Is that a motion for reconsideration?
It's more of a manifestation.
Okay, please manifest.
Opo. The earlier remarks made by Honorable Suntay is an appeal for objectivity, impartiality, insofar as the proceedings of the Justice Committee is concerned. Ang binanggit po niya, if we will, no offense to the most of the members of the Justice Committee, there are 25 House members named in the affidavit of the 18 ex-Marines, 25 names, which comprise around 1/3 of the membership of the Justice Committee here, all present.
The Honorable Marcoleta is likewise reminded to confine the manifestation to the relevancy of the current impeachment
I
proceeding.
think it's very germane, ma'am, because it boils down to the objectivity and impartiality of the members.
Honorable Marcoleta, we have not reached even the determination of sufficiency in form, and the chair has stated already that the Justice Committee is assured of the impartiality of the chair, including all the members. I think that is premature for us to discuss on the partiality when we haven't heard any of these impeachment complaints. So unless the manifestation has relevance to the current impeachment proceeding, the Honorable Marcoleta is requested to cease from making manifestation outside the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding.
Madam Chair, with due respect to the 25 members who were mentioned in the affidavit,
Honorable Marcoleta, you are reminded by the chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
I submit to the wisdom of the chair.
Thank you.